Well, good afternoon, viewers. We're back working on this 2020 Honda Accord accident repair. The customer had replaced the seatbelt retractor and the connector. Somehow he broke it. So he managed to find a source for the connectors. This one here and the one for the airbag up in the roof here. Both damaged. Now, they are different. Focus. Doesn't want to focus. Anyways, they are different. So I'm going to connect them as per the pin orientation. The wire colors are different. I've already confirmed that this does plug into that retractor assembly. Now, interestingly, they supplied butt splices and heat shrink. And that's what we're going to use. And then we're going to turn the key on and see if the codes go to history. I had put a simulator in the previous video, about 3 ohms resistor. I used a decade box, and that fools the computer into thinking the circuit is okay. So let's get started. Well, that's the seatbelt retractor fixed. Now we got to do the one back there. So I'm about to turn the key on. I'm reaching under the steering wheel because, or this has got a push button start. Here we go. Nothing blew up. No warning messages on the dash. Smart entry system problems, see your dealer. Well, let's scan it and see what codes we have. So I've loaded the vehicle record. We're going to do a code scan, key on, engine off. Let's see what codes we have. Wonder if I should put a battery charger on it. Can't see the status bar is covering up the voltmeter reading. No codes in the engine. Really this slow? Okay, so we got the driver's seat belt tensioner, left side curtain tension inflator. Those should go to history. Electric brake booster is clear now. We had a disconnected parking brake on the left rear for some reason. Electric power steering. Yeah, we got 11.2 volts. Keep an eye on it. If it gets below 11 volts, I'll put a battery charger on it. Well, I'll pick up when I get to the end of this code scan. Well, this is painfully slow. We're up to 11 controllers. We're almost done. 13 controllers. Rear interior antenna circuit open for body electrical. Rear interior antenna circuit. And keyless access. Rear interior antenna. I wonder where that is. Wonder if he had that disconnected with the airbag. Well, let's do a code clear. Clear all codes, red by code scan. Key on, engine off it is. Hopefully this is faster, but I doubt it. So I cleared the codes out of 14 controllers. I've cycled the key. Where's the airbag? Boy, I can't believe how slow this is. I don't know if it's the scanner or the car. Maybe a Honda tech could chime in and tell me if it's common. The thing that bothered me when I was looking at, there's no codes now, but what bothered me when I was looking at data in this airbag module, and this airbag module was sent out and repaired. There was one data parameter, off, unbuckled, off, driver's side airbag deployed. Everything says off now. I'm sure one of them said on. I don't know if there's any other data list. No, I guess not. And what was it in the keyless access power control unit? That code was for the antenna. No codes. Well, let's see if there's any warning lights on with it running. Okay, I'm going to start the vehicle. Well, all that remains now is to put all this trim back on. Customer had all this console apart. It wouldn't start. I just found the negative battery cable finger tight. Seems to be an epidemic of that lately. But we'll put the trim back together and give them a call and tell them to pick it up. Thanks for watching. Well, I went to take the car out after putting all this trim back on, and message come up, smart key system problem. Going to come up again, smart entry system problem, see your dealer. Well, let's see what code it's setting. So we got that B1664, 1664. Rear interior antenna circuit open. I wonder where that is and if it's above the headliner. Because I'm sure you had the headliner out of this thing to change the airbag. Well, let's look it up on Identifix. Well, there's no cases on it. Let's look at the troubleshooting. Rear antenna, interior left front antenna circuit. Select keyless entry access. Circuit open, yes. Go to 2. Open wire, check exterior R and exterior R plus and minus lines. Turn the vehicle off, disconnect the following body control module, rear interior left antenna connector. So it says rear interior left front antenna circuit. But here it says rear interior, oh yeah, it does. Let's see if we can find out where this antenna is. So it appears to be in the console. Rear interior left front antenna without center console rear only. He's got that trim all apart. So the customer had the console all taken apart. He said he was going to put it back together again. But I noticed this piece at the back here and this connector unplugged. My trouble light's dying. So you can see the connector right there. And that plugs into it. So I'm sure this is the antenna right here. I'm going to try plugging it in. So that was it. That's the antenna in the back of the console. Wonder if it shows any data related to it. Steering switch, stop start switch, accessory position switch. No. Let's read the codes one more time. Well, let's hope that's all there is. I'm going to let him put the console back together because he's got a bunch of trim pieces off.